You're lying.
I swear to you, I'm not lying. I'm lying a little bit, but I'm a producer, and that's what I do. And I will have your money in full, I promise you.
You got 72 hours. After that, I choke you to death.
Come on, I'm not an idiot. You haven't painted the most accurate portrait of our investor.
All right! We've been in trouble before. We always find a way out.
It's all over the street. You need money. Why don't you guys come by the set? Frank Pierce is gonna be there.
Excuse me, Mr. Pierce. I'm so sorry to bother you. Can I get your autograph?
Frank Pierce was insured for $5 million.
This scumbag, he doesn't shoot a frame of film and he makes $5 million.
Well, how would you have felt if all you had to show for it was a lousy insurance check?
Look, I got a scam.
What do you mean a scam?
We make it look like we're actually going to be putting together a movie. We heavily insure the star who'll do his own stunts. You're Duke Montana?
Yeah, that's Duke Montana. What are you doing, Duke Montana?
Come on, daily game, Russian roulette.
You are perfect for this particular part.
I really connected to the story.
Her. Yeah, but Duke is like Western, you know, it's very masculine. Oh, congratulations.
Bang, we kill him in a stunt, he's dead. And then we're rich. We're rich.
Action!
Duke Montana, if he were alive right now, I know he would be saying,
Where's that damn horse at?
Duke, my God, you're alive. You don't know this guy. He's got like 9 lives.
It's not that hard to kill somebody.
We're shooting this fantastic rope bridge scene. It's gonna be a real killer.
If it wasn't for you, I'd be 6 foot under up on Booth Hill right now.
I'm gonna hunt you down.
These people are ready to die for you.
That's the best choice of words.
We in the business.
What kind of a human being are you?
Well, I'm a producer.
How is it a guy making $1 million movie don't have a better car?
I don't believe in ostentatious flamboyance.
What are you, stupid?
No.